It is day 15 of our van build, of our DIY Sprinter van. Yesterday we installed the 2 fans on the ceiling. Now we got some nice airflow in here. And today I'm going to continue working on installation, finishing it up. We got most of it done already. And now that we got the fan positioned where it's supposed to be, I can finish up the ceiling here, the front, and then I'm going to work on filling all the crevices with tiny pieces of insulation. That's what I'll be focusing today. And Rina ordered this. You see what this is? It's fake dragonflies. So she found online that if you clip these fake dragonflies on yourself or the area that you stay in, there's less mosquitoes because dragonflies supposedly eat mosquitoes. So having these fake dragonflies deter mosquitoes from hanging around. I wonder if it works. It's a really interesting idea. So we bought a bunch. We got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dragonflies. And I think people say like, oh, clip it on your hat or something. I'll walk around like this with a dragonfly on my head. Maybe there'll be less mosquitoes. I don't know. We will clip them in different places just to try. And we will keep you guys posted to see if we get any new mosquito bites. I'll walk around like this doing the van build. I just positioned the dragonflies all over. One by the door. Where did I put it? One right here. One right here. And one down here and one up here. Let's see if this will work. If it does, that is super funny. Fake dragonflies. I need to order some solar panels soon. And I've been sort of exploring what type of solar panel options there are nowadays. I mean, the last time we bought it was 5 years ago. And they have a lot of new technologies now. And I'm exploring using residential panels like our friends Hoy and Vu. Usually the residential panels are bigger, but they have more capacity. The ones that Vu has, our friend from California, his is like 400 watts each. So if I can fit those on this van, I might just end up getting the residential ones. I want to make sure that the panels that I get will fit within the roof rails. I don't want them to stick out the side, just because I want our van to be as stealthy as possible. So let me see what the dimensions are and how much space I have in our roof. And I decided that I am going to go with a underbench mount air conditioning, which means I have all this real estate for solar panel up top between the fans. This back fan here and the front fan there. So this whole section can be covered in solar panels. Let me get a quick measurement to see if I can get like 2 really big ones. If I can get like 800 watts or more up here, that would be quite awesome. Oh, the roof is so hot. Oh, hot. Okay. So I'll leave some room for the end of this fan and all the way out. Let's see. Got a little bit more to go. So right here. All the way to back here. 107. 107 inches. And if I want to keep it within the rails, by rail to rail is 51. The inner part of the rail and the inner part of the other rail, that's 51. 107, 51. Cool. Do a little bit of shopping later on. And while I'm up here, I'm just gonna peel off the tape from the sealant yesterday. See how clean this looks. Lines came out pretty clean with the exception of this little part right here. But overall, came out perfect. I've been just searching the solar panels to see what options they have. And I didn't really get any work done yet. Spencer's already napping for maybe like an hour and a half. He's gonna wake up soon. I will see how much work I can get done before he wakes up. 21 and a half. This is the part that I'm sort of dreading. Filling the crevices. Just really tight spaces here. Moving these small pieces into the little cracks in between the panels here. I should probably make a bit of a wire to fish it through. Hi, Spence. Hi, buddy. Hello. I didn't really get much done. Except for the top here. Hi, Spence. Did you have a good nap? Yeah? What's that? Yeah, that's a... Don't poke your eye, okay? Yeah, that's a little aluminum piece there. It's supposed to go on your head? Oh, okay.
As if people put it on your head like this.
On a hat?
Yeah.
Like that? I don't know if it'll work. Put it on your head.
Yeah, we have a dragon for fun.
Okay. It's kind of heavy. Oh, you're helping with that wire. Yeah, you're fishing it. It's like fishing. Yeah, I'll get the new bag. How about you help me pull? And I'm on gently. Yeah, pull it up gently. More. You can pull a little bit more. Yeah, you can do more. No, there's another piece there. That's not it. Keep pulling. That's not it. There's another piece there. Yeah, okay, good. Thank you. Okay.
Sandra,
Okay. The brick's really easy. You can just bend it and it'll like break. Can you push it a little bit? I need a little bit more. Yeah, that way it doesn't get in. We just opened up a new bag of the insulation. Let's use the big piece to do the door section. This is, I think this is like that other panel is like partially glued to it.
Try to open it, but then it's like really hard.
Yeah, let me move this. I think it's either way. We can try to fix it later if it breaks. I don't know if the other one's gonna come off clean, but
It is glued together, I think.
yeah, there is some insulation behind it,
Yeah.
like the other one, but that came off clean. Oh, if it breaks, it breaks. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Let's skip that one. Oh, that one broke. That one broke too. Can I have the blade?
What blade?
The knife? No, it's right here. I got it. I got it. We'll fix it before we put it back. I'm not making another one. I'm just gonna use this. This looks pretty good. This is like the leather. Okay. This one's kind of a big piece.
How about just do a
Rectangle.
rectangle and then
We'll cut it up. Sounds good. And 40? Okay. We're just adding some insulation. Oh, is it cold? You want to go back inside? Stay with Mama. So it looks like the dragonflies are not working. Rina just got bitten. It's got some blood on this mosquito. Oh, it bit you? Maybe because we didn't put one over here by the door. Oh, we have like 3 in the back. Okay. Doesn't really work. New strategy. Dragonfly on shoulder. See if that works.
What?
Yeah. Just
Maybe who else did one of the sick one? Dragonfly.
they never seen dragonfly before. But you gotta go underneath. Can this go underneath? This one has to go underneath this one.
我知啊，擁佢嘛，擁佢先啦。
This one just goes on that side.
今次應該
The warmest. I hope so. I hope it's gonna be the best insulated van of all. Yeah. We are done insulating the door. That was not very easy. A lot of pieces to cut, but we got it done. Let's put this back. We can do the top panel, and I think that's going to be it for today. Hi, Spence. Oh, this looks so good. This looks really good. The top panel for the door is complete. Let's close it up. Let's go inside. We are done for the day. Spencer's just riding his dump truck for a little bit before we eat dinner. Are you giving everybody a like? How do you make the dump truck sound? Vroom.
Vroom.
Whoa, I love your dump trucks, man. You can carry so much stuff in this.
Yeah.
Honk honk. Vroom vroom. 3. Go! Is it fast? Whoa, 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 whoa. You gotta wear shoes for that to stop. Let's go back in. Let's have some dinner. Okay. Wow, let's see what Mama made dinner tonight. Wow, 呢個係咪溫太嗰個？咩嚟啊？ Sweet and sour ribs here. Some vegetables, okra, some pig knuckles, and some leftover barbecue from yesterday. Alright, that's our dinner tonight. Okay, take fine. Okay. Oh, Spencer's such a good helper washing dishes. How do you wash the spoon? Like that? Yeah. Uh-huh. Very nice. What about the bowl? You think you can wash the bowl? Okay, you can put this one down. Here, hold this. Hold this. And then you wash the inside of the bowl. Uh-huh. Come on, chut. Like this. Chut. Just like that. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, hold on, so. Can you wash with the sponge? Want a sponger? Yeah, use a sponge. Yeah, take the spoon. There you go. Can you wash? Yeah, wash with the sponge. Yeah, that's right. That's how you wash it. Very good. A little bit taller. So clean. You say so clean. So clean. Spencer's been washing the same bowl and spoon for like 20 minutes. It's very, very clean, Spence. Yes. Good job. Good job, Spence. Well, that was a really good dinner. We had a little ice cream too. And I decided I'm going to go back downstairs to work on the installation some more. There's still a lot to be done. And Spencer and Rina, they're just hanging out in the living room. Hopefully we can get all of the installation done in a day or two. So if you guys want to keep watching our van build, our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread out to more people. Yes, thank you, Spence. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. You want to say bye-bye to everybody? Yeah! You want to say bye-bye to everybody? Spence? You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.